I'm Anil Kumar, and these set of videos are for my grade 9 IB student Joseph. We are trying to understand how to factor trinomials, in a way, how to get the two numbers, the magic numbers, which will help us to factor trinomials, right? So we have two examples here. The first one is x squared minus 27x plus 72. The other one is x squared plus 20x minus 96. As you know, we have constants which are of opposite signs. One place we have positive 72, the other way is 96 with negative sign. And the coefficients of x also have taken kind of different. So we'll understand the strategy of selecting two numbers. So whenever we are trying to factor trinomials, we are always looking for two numbers whose product should be the constant, which is 72. So let me take p and q as two integers to be very specific, whose product should be 72. Now, when the product is positive, it means both could be negative or both could be positive, right? Same sign. Now, sum of these two integers should be minus 27. We can get negative sum only if both the numbers are negative, correct? So we get a criteria, that is, we have to select numbers which are both negative, right? Now when you add them up, we need 27. That also gives you one more hint, that is, both these numbers are less than 27, correct? So we are looking for factors of 72 which are less than 27, right? That is what we are looking for. So let's look into 72. So less than 27. Let's begin with smaller numbers. For example, 3, right? So 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 times 4 is 24. Well, that gives us the answer if I have both negative. So we really got it. So it is minus 27 and minus 3. So these are the magic numbers for us, right? Now, once you know the numbers, you can write the factor. And so our answer is x minus 24 times x minus 3. Remember, we had already decided about their sign, right? So, we'll follow the same strategy and do the next one now. Okay, I hope the process is clear. It's just a matter of practicing. So here in this case, we are again looking for two numbers whose product should be the constant, which is minus 96. So minus, that means both the numbers will be of opposite sign. Only then you get negative when you multiply. Now the sum is plus 20. So that means higher number has to be positive and lower has to be negative, right? Then only you get a positive sum, right? So that is the whole idea. So now we are looking for two numbers whose product is minus 96 and sum is 20. And these numbers, we are dealing in the domain of integers. Don't forget that. No fractions, no radicals, okay? So 96, let's factor 96. And these numbers are far apart because when you add, you get 20. One of them is bigger than 20, the other is smaller than 20. Let's begin by, let's say, 2 times. So when you divide 96 by 2, you get 48. Well, their difference, so we're looking for difference, right? Higher number is positive. Their difference is not 20. So let's further see other combinations. So we get 2 times 24. So now we could have a combination which could be like this. 24 and 2. Higher number being positive, lower number being negative, right? So negative 2 and positive 24. When you add, you get plus 20. Oh, sorry, 4. 2 times 2, right? When you add, you get plus 20. So we know which numbers to use. So now we can factor this as x plus 24 times x minus 4. Do you see how easy it becomes when we logically approach? So remember, if the constant in the trinomial is positive, numbers are with the same sign. If the constant is negative, numbers are with opposite signs. Then, which one is higher? It depends on the center. Positive is higher. Negative is higher, right? Same sign means both are negative. Opposite sign means higher one is positive, lower one is negative. With these things in mind, you should be in a position to factor the trinomials easily, taking lesser time. So we'll do a couple of videos and I hope they will help you to master the technique of factoring trinomials. Thank you and all the best.